everyone, it's Shannon with Moringa Rose, and today we're going to be making our Ghost Swirl for the Soap Challenge Club. I'm currently putting on my apron. I wear a leather apron from Myra Bag. It is absolutely fantastic. So this recipe I'm making is 27 ounces of oil. I've got 15% coconut oil, 15% cocoa butter, 10% castor oil, 15% Sea Buckthorn Berry Oil, 25% lard, 20% olive oil. So I wanted to try this with Sea Buckthorn Berry Oil. I've done a Ghost Swirl in the past. Wasn't exactly the best, but it was something fun and new to try. Now this one I wanted to try with a different oil. And I have 3 different lye concentrates. So the middle one is 26% lye concentration. This is a 47% lye concentration and a 36.5 lye concentration. Let's get started. I have used Sea Buckthorn Berry in the past in soap, and I used it at about 4%, and it gave me what looked like Velveeta cheese. It was a lovely bar, it just looked like a block of cheese. So this time we're going to go at 15%. I'm really scared much more than that would actually dye your skin using. I have no idea, so I will test this when it is done and let you know. Okay, this is thickening up really fast, so I'm going to give it one little stick blend. So as you can see, this is the one with the least amount of water, how dark it is. It's actually really pretty. This is the one with the 26% lye concentration. And the 36.5. I do want these to set up a little more, but I'm too scared to keep stick blending. So I just used a Priority A post box and thought I'd use that as dividers so because I don't have plastic dividers. Try and get some of the air bubbles out. So I just have a stencil brush. Most of my soaps I CPOP, but I'm not going to be today. I'm just going to wrap this in a blanket and put her to bed. Hello guys. So we're back the next day. Look how pretty these came out. Okay, I love these little leaves. What I do have to say though is the Sea Buckthorn, I knew it stained, but I didn't realize it was going to stain my whole mold. So let's cut her up. So what we're going to do is we are going to cut this lengthwise at 6.5 centimeters. Forgot I loosened my string. See, and I'm not seeing a big difference. This side's a little bit lighter than this side. I don't think you could see it in camera though. it did get really hot. I did get some air pockets. And it actually started getting all wonky on the top. I don't know if it's just orange soda ash, because I know a lot of ladies were saying you'll get soda ash, but I didn't get soda ash, unless that's the Sea Buckthorn berry version of it. We're going to do it at 2 centimeters so I can still plane the top. So no, these won't be large bars. If anything, they'll just be for me. Got really warm. I don't know if that's what caused it, but I am super excited. Keep these as sample bars. So sorry, guys. So with the way that I have this would be the 36.5 concentrate, the 26% lye concentrate, and 47%. 36, 26, 47. So if you were putting this in soap calc, your water lye ratio, this side would be 1.7 to 1, your water lye ratio. This water lye ratio would be 2.846 to 1. And then this one would be 1.12 to 1. So your most amount of water, medium amount of water, the least amount of water. So you kind of can see the difference here. I will take some pictures and have them at the end. But I'm really happy with the way these turned out.